ABML Morning Update. Iran hits Gulf airports, commercial ships and energy assets in Middle East. Rattling oil and equities. Global markets. US markets ended on a negative note on Thursday, with the S&P 500 shedding 1.52%, the Nasdaq Composite declining 1.78%, and the Dow Jones falling 1.56%, as oil price surge and supply disruption concerns amid the ongoing Iran war weighed on risk sentiment. Crude prices surged as Iran's new supreme leader, Mujtaba Khamenei, signaled keeping the Strait of Hormuz closed, disrupting tanker traffic and pushing Brent above $100 for the first time since August 2022, while multiple vessels were attacked and US forces sank Iranian mine-laying ships near the strait. US Energy Secretary Chris Wright said the Navy is not yet ready to escort tankers, but may do so by month-end, while the US plans to release 172 million barrels from its strategic petroleum reserve to ease supply concerns. Despite the conflict and risks to consumer sentiment from higher energy prices, the S&P 500 remains only about 4% below its January record. European stocks closed lower on Thursday, with Pan-European Stock 600 down by 0.7% as investors monitored the Iran war and volatile oil prices. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a negative note on March 12th. At close, the Sensex was down 1.08% at 76,034, and Nifty was down 0.95% at 23,639. GIFT Nifty trades lower by 133 points at 23,584, signaling a negative start to the trading session. India's retail inflation inched up modestly in February to 3.21% year-on-year, compared with 2.75% in January, slightly above market expectations of 3.14%, reflecting a gradual firming in consumer prices while remaining comfortably below the Reserve Bank of India's 4% medium-term target and within its 2 to 6% tolerance band. The uptick was primarily driven by higher food prices, with food inflation rising to 3.47%, alongside increases in personal care and precious metal prices. Despite the acceleration, underlying price pressures remain relatively contained, indicating stable domestic demand conditions. However, the outlook is clouded by global energy volatility as escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East have pushed crude prices sharply higher and raised concerns over supply disruptions through the Strait of Hormuz, a critical energy transit route. A sustained rise in oil prices could transmit into fuel and transportation costs, potentially exerting upward pressure on India's inflation trajectory in the coming months. Focus for the day: US GDP, Eurozone industrial production, UK GDP. Key corporate developments/policy actions. JK Lakshmi Cement has been declared the preferred bidder for the mining lease of the Juipahar New Umrangso Limestone Block A and B in Assam. The limestone blocks A and B are spread over an area of 405 hectares. Acme Solar Holdings commissioned the second phase of its Rajasthan battery energy storage project, marking further progress in scaling its grid storage portfolio and advancing capacity toward the planned 300 megawatt BESS project. Gravita India has signed definitive agreements for the acquisition of a 98.95% stake in Rashtriya Metal Industries for 559.08 crore rupees. The transaction is expected to be closed by March 31, 2026. Manorama Industries has approved raising up to 500 crore rupees through the issuance of equity shares, non-convertible debt instruments, warrants, or other convertible securities via a qualified institutional placement or other permissible methods. Fund flow. FII sold shares worth 70.50 billion rupees, while DII bought for 74.50 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.